Lee Joseph Joe Anoa'i is an American professional wrestler and a former professional gridiron football player. He is part of the Anoa'i family and is currently signed to WWE, where he performs on the Raw brand under the ring name Roman Reigns. He is currently on hiatus due to an ongoing battle with leukemia. Birth name: Lee Joseph Anoa'i. Nickname: Joe Roman Reigns, Joe Anoa'i Leakey, Roman Leakey. Shirt number: he wore 99 shirt while playing for Edmonton Eskimos under the Canadian Football League, CFL. Profession: professional wrestler, former American football player. Nationality: American. Date of birth: Roman Reigns was born on May 25, 1985 in Pensacola, Florida, United States. Age: currently 33 years old. Sun sign: Gemini. Ethnicity: multiracial. Roman is half Samoan and half Italian. Religion: Roman Catholicism. Education: Roman spent 3 years at Pensacola Catholic High School and 1 year at Escambia High School in Escambia County, Florida. Roman went to Georgia Institute of Technology and has majored in management. Height: in feet 6 feet 2.5 inches. In centimeters 189 centimeters. In meters 1.89 meters. Weight: in kilograms 120 kilograms. In pounds 265 pounds. Body build: athletic. Body measurements: chest 50 in or 127 centimeters. Arms, biceps 18.5 in or 47 centimeters. Waist 35 in or 89 centimeters. Roman Reigns' net worth has accumulated to approximately $10 million as of 2019. Roman was born into the legendary American Samoan Anoa family, with a huge legacy of professional wrestlers. Roman is the first cousin of wrestlers The Usos and The Rock. Roman is also related to former wrestlers Rikishi, The Tonga Kid, Umaga, and Yokozuna. Roman first met his wife Galena while they both were students at Georgia Institute of Technology. He actively played football at both of his high schools, and then at his management institution. In May 2007, Roman was signed by American football team, Minnesota Vikings, but they released him later in the month. Again, in August 2007, he was signed by Jacksonville Jaguars. They also released him within a week. He lost his debut FCW match to Richie Steamboat, and got his first win against Fuad Rahman. In 2010, he signed a developmental contract with the WWE in 2010 and was drafted to FCW, with the ring name Leakey. After debuting in professional wrestling on September 9, 2010, he recorded his first win on September 21, 2010, against Fuad Rahman. He voiced his own character, Roman Reigns, in the WWE 2K14 video game released in 2013. In late 2008, he retired from football after playing 5 games for Edmonton Eskimos at CFL, Canadian Football League. In 2012, The Shield made an astonishing debut on the WWE main roster by attacking Ryback and John Cena during the Survivor Series pay-per-view by helping out CM Punk to retain the WWE Championship.